Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Confidence intervals often confuse students, but we can master this concept quickly by breaking down the definition and eliminating the wrong interpretations of the statistical data. A confidence interval provides a range of plausible values for the population parameter. It does not describe the probability of a single point estimate or the behavior of individual samples. Options B and C incorrectly treat the parameter as a fixed point or describe sample proportions. Option D misinterprets the confidence level as a property of a single specific interval. Option E correctly states that we are 95% confident the true population proportion lies within the calculative interval. This is the standard interpretation of all Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid the trap of specific estimates and always use the interval and confidence level.